Hi, my name's Juliette, and today I'm going to show you more video effects that you could use for a Halloween post in Shotcut. So I'm starting with this very simple clip of me turning towards the camera. Oh, and my screen capture software freaked out if I tried to play through this video while recording, so I'll be clicking through during the process and I'll put it up properly at the end as usual. And for those who stay right to the end, you'll see something really creepy, just for fun. This time I'm going to layer all the effects. First I'm going to take down the saturation, so it's in black and white. Then I'm going to increase the contrast. Next I add a vignette. I'm going to bring it in quite close and put the feathering to maximum. Obviously I'm badly off centre now, so I want to move the video image. Plus I'm going to make myself bigger using size, position and rotate. You'll see what happens is that the vignette goes a bit haywire. That's because of the order of the filters. I need to move the size, position and rotate above vignette for it to work. That's better. Now I can continue to move the image until it's where I want it. The next thing I'm going to do is add a glow filter. This, as you can see, gives me a ghostly or ethereal look and makes it look even more as if I'm staring blankly. But I'm going to tone that down a little. Next, I'm adding some grain to the image, which is one of the old film effects. And finally, I'm going to make myself nervous. This filter makes the image stutter slightly. You can increase the stutter if you want, but I think the basic level is enough here. This could make movement look robotic, or at least not human. And here's the final video. I think these filters on their own or combined could make a good Halloween post. Thanks for watching, and if you subscribed, I'll see you again next time. Oh, what's that? Bonus! Of course, you don't have to go to all this trouble. You could just face swap with a vampire image in a book, like I did a few years ago.